These are the Kendra Scott Mini Ellie, the 14 karat gold plated stud earrings. These are definitely the first time we bought the minis, but very nice. These are the ivory mother of pearl, and they're very soft looking, very elegant, not too flashy, perfect for the understated yet elegant look. They're coming in at 0.31 of an inch by 0.21 of an inch. They're subtle, but still very noticeable. The full-size ones were too big for my daughter to wear to school. So these are going to be great for daily wear and layering with other kinds of earrings. These are the signature Kendra Scott oval shape with the detailed frame. You can see the detailed framing around the earring. Polished, yet timeless. And they are a stud. They are studs, so easy to put on and take off. But these are versatile. These are definitely going to add a little something for casual or dressy outfits. Like my daughter, she likes the classic Ellie, but for daily use, the mini is going to be a lot more suitable, and this one is going to be a perfect choice for her. I'm going to grab a couple of these for the upcoming holidays, but highly recommend the Kendra Scott Mini Ellie, and these are the ivory mother of pearl stones.